and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DELLY again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today's tutorial is about this loose twist that I got on my hair right now. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos here in my channel. I make you to fall in love with your natural hair, giving you tips and tricks on how to care for your natural hair, ranging from DIY treatments, simple hairstyles, protective hairstyles, gorgeous hairstyles for your parties, weddings, work and school. So if you're interested, just subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and other videos do share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So for today's video, it is all about my loose twist. I also have a twist video here in my channel, the tighter one. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link so you know the difference, which one suits you better. And yeah, get into this video proper. Like I said earlier, I washed my hair, detangled it, oiled it with my amela oil and my hair therapy cream by Organics from African Best. So yeah, those are the two products I use. I'm going to show it if you are wondering. This is it, Organics fertilizer hair therapy. This is a hair treatment that you leave in your hair. If your hair is thinning, it will help to repair it. And my amela oil gives me the hair growth. They say it's for long hair, strong hair, and it darkens your hair as well. I plan to use these two products only for the next 1 month to see how nourished and healthy and repairable my hair will come back to look like, and I'll come back for review. So that was what I was saying in that video that I was speaking pidgin English, so you can check that out. Let me come closer so you guys can see how bouncy and fluffy these twists are. See, because I'm doing it loosely, it's not. So I'm done with the hair. It took me 1 hour 10 minutes to do my entire hair because it was loose twist. The other tight one normally takes about 2 hours to do it, so this is good to know that I can do something fast like this and I'm good to go. So I thought I should come and show you guys how I'm attaching this my gold ribbon that I got. I've done one, it was really nice, so I thought I should do one again. So my battery is almost running down. I'm just trying to style the hair, so I'm just flat twisting about 3 twists at the side and then use a rubber band to secure it. So if you want me to style this loose twist, just leave a comment and I'll do a separate video on that, because right now my battery is dead. So here is how I style the side, and